So I realized I didn't do a walk around of the truck from yesterday, so I'll just do a quick walk around. Again, no damage, a lot of pinstriping that you can see there. Yesterday was very exploratory, if you will, trying to check out some new trails. She did good. She did good. I don't know about you guys, but I sort of like this color on the black. It's like that terrain color wheels. Might be something I look into. All right, day 2, let's get it, baby. Well, if you've seen my last Moab trip, we crossed this river last time. It is flowing compared to what it was last year. It's a little dicey, so we'll give it a shot. We got truck tied up, see how it turns out, but I don't think we're gonna make it this year.
Probably the dumbest thing I've done today.
It's nice and easy. That's pretty deep. That's pretty deep.
Deeper than that, I wouldn't keep going.
Yeah, if it goes deeper than that, I wouldn't go.
You're still in the sand at the back tires.
I can feel it starting.
Okay, get
Yeah,
back. Come back. Come back.
Way too deep. Way too deep.
Sorry?
There's 3 more coming.
Ah, yes. Again.
Yeah, 3.
Deeper?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. I let them know they're gonna wait. It looks like a German couple. Pretty cool. All right, I'm going.
Back the edges, but not YO.
Everything is YO. Everything is YO so far. Should be getting to the second left soon, I think. Copy.
I'm at the big sweeping right-hander. You'll see it, it's not blind. And off to the left looks kind of cool there. See the 2 of you guys back down there at the bottom. Hello. Hi.
Crest, good right, and then you're gonna see a bunch of cattle on the road, so slow down, Luke.
I'm right behind you, yep. The crest is a little bit right, And then there's cattle close to the road on the left. Came up ahead.
Great slalom to power slide. There is a car in front of me. I think they're parked on the side of the road, just slowing down just in case.
And they're continuing on, so you guys will meet this red taco oncoming.
I'm getting...
Your second left coming up.
Correct. Oh, my brakes are gone. Oh shit, my brakes are gone. I got no brake. My brakes are gone, my brakes are gone, my brakes are gone.
You can get stopped.